Hey guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to story of today. Honestly speaking, what's going on with Thobile and Musamseleko, guys? The same award Thobile deny to accompany Musamseleko to fetch it. It's now in Thobile's house. Kanjan. She took it. She said that she took it so that otherwise, when they need copies, they can come and get it. Guys, I don't understand what is wrong with Thobile and Musamsa. Like yesterday, they were having an argument. Thobile even told Musamsa like go and use an outside toilet, guys. And people they were like, these women is disrespecting Musamsa. Like, and other people are saying, no, she's tired. She's been begazelling. So how can you take that award that you didn't even celebrate? You were angry. You didn't want to do anything with it. Now it's in your house. So you can see Thobile, she's controlling. I do understand she's a good woman, she love her husband, she's been there for her husband, but then it doesn't make sense at the end of the day. And I'm asking myself because on the last scene of Uthanda's Tembo, when they leave that ceremony, guys, we saw Thobile, she was the first one to leave. And then Musamseleko wathatha award yakhe wahamba. So it means that off the camera, Thobile went to Musamseleko and said, can you please give me the award? Or Musamseleko went to Thobile and say, Mashobani ibambe la eyakho. What is going on? I still don't understand. There's a room lapana emuzini kaThobile, guys, kune award yaka Musamseleko. And people are saying, it doesn't make sense. You were busy shouting Musamseleko, saying he's not taking you serious. Here you are, une award in Linyaka. That award should have taken by Macele, not you. So guys, and some are saying she deserves it. She's been part of Musamseleko's journey, guys, is supporting. We part of production, so she deserves it. But I still don't understand when it comes to Thobile and Musamseleko, guys. I feel like these two, they are acting for the camera, guys. Musamseleko and Thobile has this thing of crying. It is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself.